Welcome to another video. In this video I show you how I restore an engineered floor that was very worn, it was scratched, it was scuffed, it had some water damage as well. Here you can see some of the low points that we've had to deal with, and just skipping to the end result. This is the end result, which was a matte lacquered floor. Looked beautiful in the end and the customer was really happy. But back to the project. So as you can see, we connected to the dust extraction unit and we started off with a belt sander, going through all of the grits. Started at a 40, worked my way through to a 60 and 80, and I switched to some discs to do the smooth sanding. As you can see, there was quite a few low points in the floor, and I had to diagonally sand them off before running the machine along the board to get rid of those lows. So here you can see the bonnet flexi sand working its magic to level out the floor, take out some of those low points and take care of the finer sanding. It worked really well. I had to go back to a ceramic disc at one point. I went across the floor with a 60 grit and then worked my way back up to a 120, which took some doing, but it was worth it. And as you can see, there's hardly any dust as well because the dust extraction is connected to every machine. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and I can share your future videos. Here you can see we're working on the palm and gecko, working on the edges, getting them all lined in. Clearly, I'm going to vacuum thoroughly before doing any finishing. So here's the finished product after one coat. So this is the primer coat, and already you can see that there's a level of protection there. The floor looks a lot more even. The grain is starting to show through and look really attractive. And this is the second coat. Really looking good here, well protected. And here's a little gift for the homeowner to celebrate their new beautiful floors. Here's some aftershots. I was really proud of the work. The customer was over the moon. And thanks for watching. I really am grateful if you're helping my channel.